Today's video was supposed to be a pickup vlog like I do normally on Saturdays, but it was so damn cold outside that I couldn't hold my phone in my hand for such a long time. So what I'm gonna do is, I already have the shoes right here. I'm gonna put some laces on these shoes and show you how this look on feet. Probably I'm gonna do like a lace swap or something because I think these shoes will look super nice with a pair of black laces. So I'm gonna do that for you, and then I'm gonna give you a quick review on these shoes because I don't see that many videos about this one on YouTube. So after you watch the on-feet look, stay a little bit right here with me for the review. So without much more to say, enjoy this on-feet look. I hope that y'all enjoyed that dope on-feet look on these Jordan 2 Python, and let me know your opinion about them. I'm gonna stay with the white laces for the rest of the video because this is only the review part of it, but they look super dope with the black laces, don't they? But yeah, whatever guys, these are the Jordan 2 Python, and I gotta say though, these are damn clean. These might not be mandatory, but clean? Oh yes, they are. Take a look at the shoe. The shoe is predominantly white with some black hits, as we can see right here that we have these black lines here going all through these snake skin or python skin right here, as we can see. That looks super dope, but I'm not a fan of snakes. Actually, that's the only one thing I'm afraid of, like crazy afraid of snakes. But on these shoes, I gotta say that the details look good. The detail looks good, you know. It's a fake snake skin, but looks good, looks good. Something that really calls my attention was these tag right here that reads, "Please, due to the nature of the metallic components, slight variation or imperfection should be expected. Do not eat by mistake." Do not eat by mistake. Who's out there eating shoes? Yo, Nike's telling you, don't eat this shoe by mistake. Have someone ever eat a pair of shoes? What are you doing? Why Nike saying this? Man, that's crazy. That's crazy. I don't know. Maybe it's because of the snake skin right here that Nike is telling you it's fake. It's not real snake skin. Don't eat it. Maybe that makes a little bit more sense, but I don't know. So continuing with the review, we have also this nice leather that has nothing to do with the plastic leather that we have on the tongue of these shoes, because yes, it's plastic synthetic leather that we have on the tongue. Looks horrible, looks trash, but the leather on the rest of the shoe looks kind of nice, I gotta say. We also have these seal hits right here on this area and also on the midsole of the shoe, and on the back of the shoe we have black on the heel tab and red, fire red, I gotta say, on the back, but the Wings logo on the front comes in black, as you can see right there. For the outsole of the shoe, we have this type of purple right here, as we can see, with black and sail as well. Pretty dope. the outsole is looking right now. And yeah, this is basically the shoe. Man, being a sneaker content creator really exposed me to shoes that I wouldn't normally buy, but I have to go and take a look at the shoe in stores. And I'm a real sneaker lover, and I appreciate the art behind shoes. And when I saw this one, I was like, why not? Why not? I feel like I already have the only Jordan 2 that I needed in the collection. That is this one, the Chicago one. But this is such a clean shoe that I end up grabbing, yo. I end up grabbing this one. I don't know why I did it, but I need to control myself. I know it's an addiction right now at this point. I think I need to control myself. But now that I have these two in hand, let me tell you another detail between these two. And it's the fact that not only the tongue on this one is plastic, but also is way different than the tongue that we have on the Chicago. As you can see, the tongue of the Chicago is way wider than the tongue on this one. And it's not only because it's brand new. It's different, has a different shape. I'm telling you, has a different shape than the one we have on the Chicago. So let me know, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer this one or the one we have on the Chicago? Let me know. Both of these are fire, but this is classic. Thank you guys a lot for watching the video. Let me know your opinion about this one. Do they look good on feet? Let me know in the comment section. If you want to know more about me and my content, make sure to follow me right here on my Instagram, JasonJCakes, where I'm always uploading videos, picture, sneaker news like shock drop, early access, and all that. JasonJCakes on Instagram. Make sure to follow me, guys. Thank you again for watching the video, and till the next one. Goodbye.